What's up, guys? I had a cool video planned today. I was going to work in the garage, but turns out Pennsylvania Mother Nature had a different idea because we got some snow and I decided to ski in my backyard. So I'll have to postpone a couple things, but you get lemons, you make lemonade. You get snow, you ski. Alright, enough skiing. Let's go to the body shop, check on the progress, and see how the wet sanding and buffing's going. Alright, so we're here at the body shop checking out the 63. This is the first time I've seen the car actually since it came out of the booth. I didn't get a chance to see it before it was wet sanded and buffed, but the whole car has been wet sanded, and he just started buffing the car with the first two wool pads. He still has the foam pads to go with two different compounds. So I'm just trying to show you how the different colors show up in the light and how you can see all the contours of the car. A lot of colors on mid-years really don't show as much of the shape, but this red really shows all the shapes because it really changes in the light and at different angles. So you can see how it reflects the ceiling and stuff like that. It may not look like much now, but once we get the hood, the headlight doors on, the exhaust valance, and we remove the rest of the tape and all the masking, the car will really start to look good. I don't know if I ever mentioned this, but this is the original front clip on the Corvette. It was removed when the car was stolen, and then when it was recovered it was received back with the rest of the car. And it's kind of rare to have a front end that was taken off a Corvette and put back on because they are bonded on and you kind of have to damage them to get them back off. So it's cool that we were able to reuse the front end. They removed it good enough that it was able to be put back on. And the rest of the glass is very original GM glass, so it's a very good car. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Stop into the rest of the channel, see what else I have. We're going to have a lot of great stuff coming on with the 63 here. We're doing a full restoration, so be sure to stick with that. It's going to be great. And thanks for watching, guys.